Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 11th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a strong rally for equities. The Dow finishing higher by 227 points, making a move towards these all-time highs. The S&P 500 was higher by 21, and you can see that after breaking above that upper trend line, did come back to retest it, and so far after today certainly looks like a successful retest. The NASDAQ 100 up 85 points, and the Russell 2000 finishing with a very strong day, up 32 points. The bond market finished slightly lower, and the yield on the 10-year note edging higher. It is now 1.746%. Crude oil taking a hit, though, down $1.40 or 2.5%. This after Trump discussed easing sanctions on Iran. Excuse me. Gold futures up about $4.70 or about 0.31%. This after a very volatile day for the U.S. dollar and a very strong day, in fact, for the dollar. Now, after market close, Oracle released their earnings. Actually, about a day early, actually, they released. And unfortunately, they missed their revenue estimates. They also announced that their CEO, Mark Hurd, will be taking a leave of absence for health reasons. Unfortunately, the stock did not like that. And in the after-hours trading session, it was down much more than this, but currently, it is down $1.20 or 2.13%. So let's see if the markets can make a move off to new highs once again. It certainly looks like that's in the cards right now. But anyway, we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Please scroll down below and click the subscribe button along with the alert notification. That way you don't miss any future videos, and if you're enjoying them, please do tell all your friends. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next update.